Hey everybody, Hairball. Hairball's Custom Cycles. I know I ain't been on here today, a couple days, not posting anything. Been kind of busy doing other things, trying to get stuff done, get caught up with stuff. I got this 2004 Electra Glide in. This is actually the stroker motor bike I built. It was a stock 88 motor, and I built a 107 stroker for it. So that is actually a 107 now with a stroker kit. Runs pretty good. But anyway, customer wanted to change quite a few things on it, which I had no problem with. Well, he wanted to take the wheels off and get a different set of wheels and everything. And the bike used to be white, and he painted it military green or whatever you want to call it. But anyway, I'm going to say the same thing. This is a Shaggy moment. So this is, I'm going to do like Shag does. This is a teachable moment. When you buy a set of aftermarket wheels and everything to put on your bike, don't ever assume, just because they're new rims and new bearings and everything, don't ever assume that the bearings itself are any good. They're probably going to be some cheap branded bearing. These bearing wheels have not been on this bike. I don't even know how many miles he's actually got on it. Probably ain't got 2,000 miles on it yet. But these wheels have been on this bike since I redid the bike and rebuilt it, motor and everything. I want you to see, don't ever assume bearings that come in these wheels that you buy are good. Bearings came apart already. Totally destroyed. Don't ever assume they're good bearings, because if they're cheap China wheels, they're probably going to be some cheap ass fucking bearings. So just a word of advice, if you buy some rims, aftermarket rims like off eBay or whatever, do yourself a favor, knock the bearings out of it and go buy you a good set of bearings that you know are a good set and put them in, install them before you install the wheels. So, tip of the day, get a good set of wheel bearings. Have a good one. Oh, and on the Sportster, talk to the owner. What's going to wind up happening is I'm going to wind up pulling the motor, and I'm going to tear the motor all the way down. Since the pistons and everything look like that, the oil smells burnt, you know, it's probably never been opened, whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the engine, crack the motor, have the crank checked, everything, put new bearings, seals in through the motor. I'm going to overhaul the motor and everything. Then we know what he's got. He knows he'll have a good engine. It'll be totally sealed, won't be no oil leaks, and it'll be beefed up. We're going to put a 1250 big bore kit in it, put bigger valves, little oversized valves in it, mild port job on the heads and everything. A different set of cams. We're going to put a set of Andrew cams in it. We're going to put quickie push rods in it, everything. Going to take the stock CV carb off. I'm going to put a Mikuni 42 flat slide on it. This thing will talk when I get done with it, and it'll look good. So stay tuned for all that. You guys have a good one. We'll catch you on the flip.